Improving gut health tips and tricks. Did you know that your gut health can impact your overall well-being? Let's explore some practical tips to improve your gut health. Incorporate a high-fiber diet into your meals. 1. This helps prevent constipation and promotes a healthy gut. Next, manage your stress and anxiety levels. Did you know that there's a strong connection between gut health and the brain? By reducing stress, you can improve your gut health. Be mindful of your medication use, especially antibiotics. They can disrupt the normal gut flora, leading to diarrhea or constipation. Consult a healthcare professional before making any changes. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps prevent constipation and keeps your gut healthy. Remember, your gut health is influenced by factors like diet, stress, medication, and lifestyle.
Boost your brain and gut health with food. Supporting your brain and gut health is as easy as choosing the right foods. Include foods rich in omega-3 and healthy fats like wild salmon, sardines, and organic avocado. Fresh vegetables and fruits provide fiber, acting as a prebiotic for healthy gut bacteria. Antioxidants keep inflammation low and support brain and gut health. Berries, especially blueberries, are high in antioxidants. Citrus fruits are a great source of vitamin C, which supports brain and gut health. Stay hydrated by drinking at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Adequate sleep clears the mind, lowers stress levels, and promotes healing and a healthy immune system. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques like exercise, deep breathing, meditation. Boost your brain and gut health by incorporating these foods and practices into your daily routine. Gut healing foods boost your gut health for a better brain. Discover the connection between your gut and brain health. Learn about the importance of gut healing foods and how they can improve your overall well-being. If your gut is not well, your brain is not well. Here are some gut healing foods to consider. Probiotic foods, fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. Prebiotic foods, foods that feed probiotics like green bananas and artichokes. Apples, raw cacao, lentils, MCT oil, and ghee for instant energy. Give your gut a break and support your brain. Apple cider vinegar with acetic acid can help kill yeast infections and candida. Start incorporating these gut healing foods into your diet for a healthier you.